Hey there, savvy investors. I'm Lee, your friendly neighborhood stock shepherd, here to guide you through the financial wilderness. Today, we're diving into my top 5 stock picks for the week. Ever heard the saying, don't follow the herd, follow the shepherd? Well, buckle up. We're about to round up some golden opportunities. Stick around. Alright, folks, let's kick things off with our first stock, Freedom Holding Corp., ticker symbol FRHC. Imagine a company that's been hitting the gym hard, pumping those earnings and flexing its sales muscles. Last quarter, FRHC had a whopping 363% growth in EPS and a 148% increase in sales. We're talking Usain Bolt levels of speed here, folks. Financially, this company's as sturdy as a shepherd's staff, with a 29.7% pre-tax margin and a 29% return on equity. Oh, and debt? Just 4%, which in the world of finance is like finding a 4-leaf clover. Now, the stock's currently at $91.15. If you're aiming to take some profit, look for a 20% gain, which would be around $109.38. On the flip side, if things head south, a stop loss at $82.04 could be your financial seatbelt. So, if you're looking for a stock that's sprinting ahead without tripping over any debt, FRHC might just be your pick. And now, moving from sprinters to heavy lifters, let's talk Caterpillar Incorporated, ticker symbol CAT. No, not the furry feline, the powerhouse in construction and mining equipment. This big cat is purring nicely with a 75% EPS growth last quarter and a robust 22% increase in sales. I mean, if financial health were an Olympic sport, this cat would be a gymnast with a 15.8% pre-tax margin and an astonishing 45.4% return on equity. It's like the Simone Biles of stocks. Just be mindful, there's a 162% debt-to-equity ratio here, so it's not for the faint-hearted but rather the daredevils among us. Current stock price? $282.28. If you're looking to skim some cream off the top, aim for a take profit at $338.74. And if you want to make a graceful exit, set your stop loss at $254.05. So, if you're looking for a stock that's as reliable as a cat with 9 lives, this might be your alley, cat. Get it? Time to shift gears and talk about a stock that sounds like a Star Wars droid but performs like a Jedi Master, Capital Southwest Corporation, or CSWC if you're in a hurry. Now, don't let this company's less-than-stellar name fool you. It's like that student in the back of the class who surprisingly aces every test. A 33% growth in EPS last quarter and a jaw-dropping 79% increase in sales. This firm isn't just knocking on the door of opportunity, it's kicking it down. Pre-tax margin? A heavenly 57.9%. Return on equity? A solid 13.6%. Sure, the debt-to-equity is at 108%, so it's a bit like riding a financial roller coaster, thrilling but not for everyone. At a current stock price of $22.08, set your take profit at around $26.50 for a 20% gain. If you need to hit the escape pod, set your stop loss at $19.87. So, if you're after a stock that's more Luke Skywalker than Jar Jar Binks, CSWC is worth a look. Alright, folks, gather round. It's time to talk about a stock so debt-free it could be a financial monk, SPS Commerce Incorporated, or as I like to call it, the no-debt knight in shining armor. Now, would you look at those numbers? A 30% EPS growth in the last quarter and a consistent 22% over the last 3 years. What's more impressive is the zero debt-to-equity ratio. I mean, come on, that's like having a cake and not gaining a single pound. With a pre-tax margin of 26.1% and an ROE of 17%, this company isn't just playing the game, it's basically got cheat codes activated. So here's the magic formula. If you're buying at today's price of $178.37, aim for the moon, or at least $214.04, to take a 20% profit. But hey, we all have off days, right? If the winds don't blow in your favor, set a stop loss at $160.53 to cut your losses. So, for those of you who appreciate no drama, SPSC is your main act. Okay, last but certainly not least, let's talk about Chart Industries Incorporated. And no, we're not talking about pie charts or bar graphs. We're talking about a company that has sales charts shooting up faster than a bottle rocket. A whopping 124% sales growth last quarter, folks. Now, the 3-year EPS growth stands at a cozy 15%. It's like the Goldilocks of EPS growth rates, not too hot, not too cold, just right. Financially, this company wears a belt and suspenders with a pre-tax margin of 11.2% and an ROE of 8.1%. The debt? A moderate 76%. Not too shabby, my friends. Now, for the practical stuff. Buying at the current price of $174.61. Aim for a take profit at $209.53, which is a sweet 20% gain. If things go south, set your stop loss at $157.15. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Or in stock terms, it's better to be profitable than, well, you get the point. Chart Industries, ladies and gents, where the charts actually make sense. Hey folks, if my stock picks didn't ring your bell, let's at least hit the YouTube one. Like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you're first in line for my next treasure trove of tips. Alright, stock aficionados, ever heard of the 10-20-10 strategy? No, it's not a weird yoga pose or a dance move, it's an investment mantra. First up, invest less than 10% of your total equity in any single stock. Think of it as dating, you don't want to commit everything on the first date, do you? Second, take profit when you're up by 20%. Imagine it as being at a buffet and you see the chocolate fountain. Don't wait, dip that strawberry in. And last but not least, set a stop loss at minus 10%. If that stock starts behaving like a skunk at a garden party, it's time to say, bye, Felicia. So, remember, go 10-20-10 and you'll be the shepherd of your own stock portfolio, no AI needed. Well, maybe a little. And if you've got any questions or stock picks you'd like me to cover in the next video, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Till next time, keep investing, stay safe, and let's make some money together. And there you have it, folks. We've scoured the stock plains and found you 5 woolly winners. Remember, no herd was ever built overnight. So, be patient, keep that 10-20-10 strategy in your back pocket, and you'll be shepherding like a pro. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Stock Shepherd, and ring that bell faster than you can say, Baramu. Until next week, happy investing.